Well, and then when we got this planks, I told you before, everything changed. We could mill that material, and so we had a digital workflow. We have here the scanned model. Now we have here our veneers. So we scan the position of the veneers. Then we do all the peak structure. We like to do it fully anatomically. So because we don't see the need to cover this part that's covered by the tongue by a composite, an inferior material concerning quality. Then we make our strategy for machining, and then we have here the result. And what we started to do is we go directly with the peak on the multi-unit abutment. Okay, so there's no need to glue the abutment in the patient's mouth on the laboratory, because this may fail, and so we have just one body. And I think that's the cleanest solution. And as I told before, we have here a guarantee for a passive fit.